SuDS Plus is a community-focused sustainable urban drainage retrofit project in the northeast of England. It aims to develop a new way to reduce flooding now and in the future, together with communities to create solutions offering multiple benefits to all. SuDS Plus is funded by DEFRA through the Flood and Coastal Resilience Innovation Programme and is delivered by a multidisciplinary partnership led by Durham County Council. SuDS Plus is focused on the catchment of the Upper Twizel Burn and the town of Stanley, a former mining town in the Durham coalfield just to the south and west of Newcastle. The main focus of the SuDS Plus project is asking the question, what happens if we deprioritise flooding as a primary driver of retrofit blue-green infrastructure? Instead, by focusing on what host communities actually want their places to be like, can we build blue-green infrastructure that has greater potential for co-benefits and delivers a greater legacy and long-term delivery of benefits for the people who actually have to live with these features in the long term? To answer these questions, the project is divided into three parts: visioning, co-creation, and legacy. In the visioning phase, we ask the question, what do we want this place to be like? In the co-creation phase, we ask, how can we work together to deliver that vision? And in the legacy phase, we ask, what are the conditions under which we can ensure that what we install lasts in the long term and continues to benefit the community for as long as the feature is needed? So far, we have completed multiple rounds of participatory research with the community, including workshops, walking interviews, surveys, and community voting, asking what sort of place do you want to live in? Where do you want to see investment in your place? And how could blue-green infrastructure through the SuDS Plus project help deliver these aspirations? With the community, we have developed 7 vision statements. These vision statements are a high-level framework to help guide how we work on the SuDS Plus project, what we deliver through the SuDS Plus project, and what benefits our SuDS should focus on. These vision statements are far outside the traditional areas of benefit which urban drainage usually considers, meaning we're going to have to think very creatively about how we deliver some of them. Our opportunity mapping exercise has mapped over 350 locations where local people want to see investment in their places. Many of these ideas are quite traditional, for example wildflowers and new planting, but many show a desire for investment in new community infrastructure, for example a maker space, or areas where the community can come together, for example existing parks and open green spaces. Not all of these ideas can be delivered purely through the SuDS Plus project, so innovative collaborative working is going to be required with other departments within the council and other stakeholders to deliver some of these benefit areas. Based on all of our community work, we have identified a small short list of realistic locations where we can deliver blue-green infrastructure with multiple benefits. The project now moves into the co-design and implementation phase, as well as exploring models of adoption and legacy. We will also be seeking to reach out across the programme to collaborate with other SuDS projects on their learning, disseminate our findings, and deliver impact. What we've learned so far is that blue-green infrastructure retrofitting can be used as a vehicle for urban regeneration and placemaking if we think creatively. But our existing practices and processes for how we deliver urban drainage are really hard to overcome, and they can self-limit what we can achieve. We need to reach outside of existing silos of knowledge and practice to maximise what this infrastructure can achieve. But don't underestimate how hard this can be and how challenging it really is to bring groups of people from different silos together. If you're interested in the SuDS Plus project, if you'd like more information, you can visit our project website at stanleysuds.co.uk, and if you have any specific questions, please contact the project lead, Brian Weatherall from Durham County Council.